Okay, so we are going to be drilling into a glazed ceramic pot. As you can see, I've already attempted to drill with a masonry bit, which, I mean, you can see it's sort of working, but I'm going to switch to a glass tile drill bit because I think that's going to work a little bit more effectively. It actually has more of the texture of tile anyway. Okay, so I have my drill bit on, and I'm going to run a little bit of water here to you can see it's coming out nicely. And let me tell you, this is working much better than the masonry bit. Okay, I'm going to pause. You definitely don't want the drill bit to get hot. I'm going to show you here. You're going to see. You see it getting white and cloudy. That's actually the ceramic coming out, and it's a lot more effective than the masonry bit for sure. Okay, as you can see, I'm through, and it did not crack the pot. It's a little bit of a chip there, but obviously there's going to be dirt in there. And let me tell you, do not use a masonry bit. That was so much easier and went right through using the other bits, and definitely a lot less chance of cracking the pot with those.